and welcome back to another video from HSTV. And today's video is going to be another requested video. It's going to be all about the Samsung Tab S7 Plus. We're going to use it for the whole day and we're going to see how it gets on in terms of battery usage. So right now it's at 100%. I've just started to do my work now, so I'm just going to start to use it. So yeah, it's pretty early in the morning. I think it's like 9 o'clock or something just now. So I'm going to use it for the whole day. Now if you're new to the channel, hello, welcome, thank you very much for watching the video. This is HSTV. We do reviews and we do study videos and we do vlogs as well on this channel, and I am a first year medicine student at the University of Edinburgh. So most of my usage on this tab is work related in terms of taking notes, watching lectures and video calls. And I've been using this tab for the past couple of weeks since med school has started. So far, I've not had any issues with charging, but I thought I'd make this video specifically about its battery usage because it is really that brilliant. Now, in terms of how many hours I generally use this tablet for, I normally use it from like 9 o'clock in the morning until maybe, it kind of just depends how much work I have, but sometimes up to like 11 or 12 o'clock at night. With some breaks in between for like dinner, lunch, snacks and breaks in general. So yeah, that's kind of my main like bulk usage with the tablet. I don't really watch Netflix or YouTube that much, to be honest, on the tablet anyway. I kind of use my phone more for that kind of stuff, but yeah, definitely note taking is my main usage on this tablet. Also, on a side note, the HSTV Instagram has now launched, so I'm gonna give you the name right here. It's HSTV Official, but if you just search up HSTV, it should come up. So please do go and follow us on there. And me, my younger sister and my younger brother, we're all gonna try and post on there and give you some daily updates as well. And as always, we're gonna try and post videos on a Sunday, so hopefully this video comes out on a Sunday. I really do want to say a big thank you to everyone who's been supporting the channel. It means a lot to me. So please do subscribe if you want more videos, like the videos so I know that you like them, and share them if you find them a tiny bit useful. And without further ado, let's get on to using the tablet and get on to do some lectures. So giving you an outline of the day as well. So I've got two live lectures, so one of them I'm just about to start, and then the other one is at 12 o'clock. So normally video calls take up a lot of battery usage, so I think we'll definitely look at that with the tablet. And then note taking doesn't take up too much, just depends what you're doing on it, but it is going to be a long day. I'm going to keep you updated throughout the day, and yeah, let's go. Looking at the impact of blackcurrant on cognitive performance. So in terms of why this study was needed, okay, so that is live lecture 1 complete, and the battery on the tab right now is 92%. So you can see about 8% taken off for a video call, which lasted around about 50 minutes, I believe. So it's not done too badly, but as I said, video calls kind of suck up a lot of battery usage, so I think the tab has done really well on that front. And I think actually in terms of camera, audio quality and all that good stuff, the tab does really nicely as well. So in terms of my setup, if you were wondering, I normally have like something up on my computer, and then I just have my tab for my actual video call, so it's been really helpful for that. And yes, I'm gonna take a few more notes and then we're gonna go into the next live lecture.
You all getting on? Specifically doing this module, not just in general. But how are you all getting on?
Good. So yeah, and I've not got any more live lectures anymore today, so no live videos, so no more video calls, and that's kind of the thing that drains the battery the most. And I'm mostly going to be doing notes on the tablet now. So tablet's charging at the moment is 81%. And in terms of the S Pen, I've not used the S Pen that much today. So it's just at 100%. And normally when I'm not using it, I either put it on the back, or if I know it's like 100%, then I'll just like clip it at the side there, and it works quite nicely that way. But yeah, so I think 80% will last me more than enough throughout the rest of the day. And yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and catch up on some lectures, take some notes, and we'll see how everything goes. One of the things I just want to point out quickly is that some of you were commenting about my really awkward position when I write in videos. And the reason for that is that in order to film the tablet, I have to do like a really strange angle. So I normally don't like write how I write in real life. So I'll show you like how I actually take notes, and in terms of like palm rejection and stuff, you can literally lean your whole hand over it and tablet doesn't get hot, and you know, it doesn't like move around your pen or anything like that. So note taking has been fabulous on the tablet, and I'll just show you some of the notes I've been taking over the past few weeks. I'll do a separate video on how I take notes for med school, and hopefully you guys will find that useful. So yeah, I'll just show you some of my notes. So when I'm actually taking notes on the tablet, it's really easy, and palm rejection is super as well. So I'll just like give you a little example of something. So like if I was to make a bullet point here and then write something like the heart pumps blood around the body. If I was to write something like that, you can see that the palm rejection is brilliant, the refresh rate is fantastic, and it responds really quickly. And of course, we can always go and rub it out just by pressing the button. I've also been using the custom palette feature quite a lot. So as you can see, like I do like my bullet points in red and then my writing in the white. So that's so useful. So like if I want to make a bullet point, switch to the red, do that in red, and then switch back to the white, and then it is white. So yeah, in terms of note taking, it's been so helpful, and I think it's definitely the way to go for me, at least now. Like I can't imagine having to organize loads of pieces of paper anymore. So yeah. Alright everyone, so it has been a while. I'm just going to give you a quick update. So basically I studied for about an hour or an hour and a half, and then I had to go and do some other stuff, and then I got hungry, so then I got dinner, but it was a bit of an early dinner. So basically the time at the moment is like almost 5:30, and in terms of battery for my tab, we are on 74% at the moment, which is really nice, because remember, throughout this day I've done 2 video live classes, I've taken notes, we're like into the evening hours kind of now, and I'm still going to be doing more work over the course of the evening, so I will make sure to catch up. But yeah, that was just a quick update. Alright people, so we are getting into the nighttime hours now. So I've just been studying for the past 3 to 4 hours, probably around 3 actually, because I can't remember the last time I filmed, but basically since after dinner I've just been working, just looking at lectures and taking notes and all that good stuff. So the time at the moment is just going to be 8 o'clock, and you may think that we are coming to the end of our day. However, med school says So actually I normally work until like 11, sometimes 12 o'clock at night, unfortunately, because the workload is just so much, and I kind of want my weekends to be more free, so I could like finish up at 6 o'clock and be like, that's me done for the day, but actually I would rather get as much work done as possible. So yeah, in terms of battery usage, the tablet is on 54%. So you've seen me use it throughout the day and it's still going strong. I've not charged it even once, which is brilliant, and I've been tempted to charge it like in between, because normally what I do during the day is when I'm like going down for a lunch break, or when I'm going down for like a little break or something, then I'll put it on charging because I might as well. However, actually I don't have to, and this is a great test for me as well, and it works really, really well. Alright everyone, so I'm gonna have to speak a little bit quieter because everyone in the house is sleeping now, but basically the time right now is 10 o'clock at night, and I'm just gonna end the video here. To be honest, I've got a few more things that I need to do, but to be honest, majority of the day is done, and this is kind of how I would normally use the tablet. But the big question is, what is the battery percentage left on the tablet now? And we can see that it's 42%. So in the whole day I've not charged it even once. I've had video calls on it, I've taken notes on it, I've read books and stuff on it, and it's dealt very well with everything. So yeah, and in terms of the S Pen, I can tell you how much charging the S Pen has as well. If it lets me. Oh, maybe I have to like connect it on here and see. So yeah, the S Pen's got 60% charging left, but I think that's because I've been using the S Pen for quite a few hours in a row. But normally when I'm not using it, I just put it on charging. So the S Pen did get charged, but I have been using the S Pen from like 7 o'clock until 10 o'clock, so about 3 hours, and it's lost about 40% of its charging, which is understandable. It's quite heavy usage. The other thing that I thought would be quite interesting to do, just to wind up the video, is look at my screen time on the tablet. So I'll bring the camera here and then you guys can see as well. Okay, so on the tab, I'm just gonna unlock it, and I'm using the fingerprint sensor now, by the way, which is very speedy fast, as you can see. But if we just go into settings, and I'm pretty sure it's in this, then you can see here that I've used the tablet 6 hours and 5 minutes just today. I don't know how clearly you can see that, but yeah, that's how much I've used it today. You can see that mostly I've used Samsung Notes. I've used Chrome a little bit for obviously watching my lectures, and then I've also used this app called Auto Background Eraser, and I'll go into a bit more about that when I do a separate note-taking video. But yeah, that was essentially what I did today. So it does say it's 42 minutes less than yesterday. So as I said, I've got a few more things that I need to do. So it'll come up to around about 7 hours that I've used the tablet today, and within the 7 hours that I've used it, it has got 42% charging, as you can see right there. I'm not too sure how clearly you can see that. I'll try and focus it a little bit better for you. So yeah, that's how much battery I've got left, and yeah. So everyone, that is the end of the video. Thanks so much for watching. Please do subscribe, like, and share the video if you found it a little bit useful. Do comment down below anything that you want to see more on the channel, and yeah, I will see you all in my next video. Goodbye.